In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a contract management system in Airtable. We'll start by getting clear on what your contract management base needs to track. Think about the essentials you want at your fingertips. Who the contract is between, what type it is, like an NDA or a service agreement. When it starts, when it ends. Whether you need renewal reminders, and where it stands right now, such as draft, active, expired, or renewal pending. Defining these elements up front keeps your workflow organized and ensures nothing slips through the cracks later. Next, open Airtable on your desktop. You can click Add a Base and choose Start from Scratch if you're building new, or open an existing base if you've already started something for contracts. Give your base a clear name so it's easy for your team to find. Now let's set up the heart of the system, the contracts table. Rename the first table to contracts. Add fields for contract name as a single line text, contract type as a single select with options like NDA, service agreement and other, and party or client as a single line text. Create start date and end date fields using the date type. Add a status field as a single select with options like draft, active, expired, and renewal pending. Include an assigned to field for the owner or responsible teammate, and a notes field using long text for extra details. This becomes your central log for every agreement. Quick reminder, the link to the Airtable website is at the top of the description so you can open it and follow along. If you prefer mobile, the app download link is also listed there. To stay on top of timelines, add a formula field to calculate days until expiration by comparing today's date to the end date. Use that to highlight contracts that need attention, such as those approaching renewal, and to clearly flag contracts that are already expired. Keeping this visible helps legal and operations stay proactive. Create helpful views so you can focus fast. Make an active contracts view filter to status is active. For expiring soon, filter for records where days until expiration is within the next few weeks. Build an expired contracts view so older items don't clutter the system, and a by contract type view to group or filter by NDA, service agreement, or other. These targeted views make prioritizing simple. Finally, review and maintain the base regularly. Update statuses as contracts move through their lifecycle, add notes after key milestones, and archive old records so your data stays clean and relevant. That's how you can manage contracts in Airtable and streamline your legal workflow efficiently. Thanks for watching.